Hi guys, I'm Mr. Paradox and we will continue pre-security and we will solve Linux Fundamentals Part 3. Okay, start. Introduction, let's proceed, check. Deploy your Linux machine. Okay, I have logged into Linux Fundamentals Part 3 machine using SSH and have deployed the attack box successfully. Okay. Open the attack box and open the terminal. SSH, try hackmiss. Our IP address is that. Okay. Yes. Our password is also trackme. Okay. Edit task 3 located in creative file using nano. Example nano file txt file folder file. Okay. Edit task 3 located in trackme's home directory using nano. What is the flag? Okay, cd home cd home ls. We will see in the home directory. Ls task 3 nano task 3. Our flag is that. THM text editors. General useful utilities. Okay. Ensure you are connected to deployed machine. Okay. Now use the Python 3's HTTP server module to start a web server in the home directory of the trackme user on the deployed machine. Okay. We must open new terminal and SSH try hackmiss. What is our ping? Okay, on. Okay, 10. Try hack me. Okay, and we must create a server with the Python 3. Python 3 HTTP server. Okay, and we use the command we get for the download this file. We get and copy and paste this link. Paste. Okay, we save this file and cat drop flag point txt point 1. Our flag is that. Copy and paste. We solve this task and use the Ctrl S. Okay. And we closed our server. Close terminal. Okay. Check SSH. Okay. Process 101. README. If you were to launch a process where the previous ID was 300, what would the ID of new process? 301. If you want to cleanly kill a process, what signal would we send it? If we wanted to cleanly kill a process, we must send sig term, but if we wanted without cleanly to kill a process, we must set the sig kill signal. Okay. Locate the process that is running on the deployed machine. What flag is given? We write PC aux, and our flag is that. Okay. What command would we use to stop the service, my service? System ctl stop my service. What command would we use to start the same service on the boot up of the system? Systemctl enable service. What command would we use to bring a previously backgrounded process back to the foreground? fg. Maintaining your system automation. Ensure you are connected deployed machine. Okay. When will the cron tab on the deployed machine run? Instance run. Write the cron tab L cron tab L, and when will the cron tab on deployed machine instance run? Our answer is that maintaining your system package management. Okay. Maintaining your system logs. Look for, let's say, 2 logs on the deployed machine, Linux machine. cd var log and ls cd apache cd apache 2 ls cat access log cat access log 1. Okay, what is the IP address of the user who visited the site? User's IP address is that. Copy and paste. What file did they access? The file is that when our user access. Conclusions and summaries. Terminate the machine deployed from this task to terminate. Continue your learning in other Linux dedicated rooms. Check. Okay guys, we solved this room. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.